everyone, welcome to my channel Vihan Creation. So today we are going to make tasty, delicious and healthy milkshakes. So let's get started. First of all, I will meet my cousin Arav.
My Araf.
So let's get started. First, we are going to make banana milkshake. So for that we need bananas. I have cut it half banana. So let's put in the mixie. So now we will put 200 ml milk. Now I have put in 200 ml milk, 1 teaspoon, then 1 teaspoon sugar. Now let's grind it. Now it's done. So let's put in a glass.
अरे इधर से डालने ये मेरा नहीं है, मैं ये वाला पीऊँ Oreo पीऊँ।
So now it's done. Let's make chocolate milkshake. Sorry, Oreo milkshake. So for that, so now we will put some Oreos for Oreo milkshake. Now we have to put 200 ml milk again.
दूध खाना पड़ेगा।
One teaspoon sugar. Now let's grind it.
मुझे गिरा दे।
It's done. Let's put in glass. So, if you want, you can add ice, but I am putting normal. So, enjoy your healthy and tasty milkshake. Thank you, everyone.